Viking dishwasher makes beeping noise and pot light and normal buttons flash.
Can you guesstimate how old your Viking is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3.5 years. Model #FDB451.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it is something minor.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so. We are the original owners and have had to have unit serviced twice before.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. So the error code you're getting means that the dishwasher isn't draining. Oftentimes this has nothing to do with the dishwasher, and it means that your drain hose is either kinked or possibly clogged right where it goes into the drain under your sink. You'll want to disconnect the drain hose under the sink and make sure there isn't a clog. Other than that, you'd want to call service because you might need a new drain pump or something like that to fix the issue. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.